Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade this 12.1 inch CCL from CCFL to our UB54 series LED kit. This screen is made by Sharp. Again, this is UB54 series, and there's two lamps. They mount on one side, so we can use one strip instead. The kit comes with the LED strip, LED driver, and the color-coded wire connectors. Okay, this screen is made by Sharp. The screen part number is LQ121S1LG51. Again, LQ121S1LG51. Let's take a look. Alright, to upgrade from CCFL to LED is extremely simple for this particular screen. It's much simpler, easier than just replace a CCFL lamp. Basically, there's one screw that holding the reflectors. We just unscrewed it. Alright, set it aside. And then basically you just slowly pull out. See this? So there's two lamps mounted on one side. Obviously you can see the lamp's pretty old. And basically because two lamps, there's enough space for us to mount a reflector back to the, LED strip back to the reflector. That's great. So let's set it aside. Alright. We're going to test LED kit first. And go. It's perfect. It's working. Okay. Alright. So let's remove this thing. Slowly. Be careful. There's a couple of them here. Okay. Take it out. Okay, this side too. Okay. So we can take it out first. After we mount it back, we put it back in plastic. So the wire come out from this side. You kind of like make sure where you should mount it. Alright. So then peel off this double side tip. Okay. Oops. So just have to be careful. Yep. That's alright. Okay, here we go. Just kind of push it down, okay? Push it down. Make sure it stay on the bottom flat. So that way it's much more efficiency in terms of generating the light. You see this? Okay, so now we put it back here. Back here, one here, see, one here. I need to make some rooms for this wire, so make sure it sticks all the way in the bottom. Now we both can do like this. Okay. Okay. You can just slowly slice back. Put the screw back. Okay. And then we're gonna add a piece of tape to secure these wires. Okay, then we're gonna add. You see this? You can add this here, or you don't have to. It's up to you. As you might see a little bit the light bleeding out, and that's it. How easy is it? We also have a let me show you a little bit this here for this LED driver. You can connect on either end. It's okay, but this color coded red is input voltage 12 volt, and black is power ground. White is adjustment. Usually there's no connection. Yellow is very important. You gotta apply anywhere between 3.5 to 5 volts to turn this driver on and off. And we also have an LCD controller kit available for this particular Sharp screen. If you need that, you can find it online. And thank you for watching.